Good evening. We're on Don Outdoor Adventures in the kitchen again. You know, I'm back on my stove. And one thing I like to make is a garden fresh stew. I think it's called that, but I know Mom used to make it back in the day. But I got hamburger and I got all the garden vegetables in it. Onions, my okra, tomatoes, potatoes, uh, chives in there, okra, like I said. And you pour that over cornbread, and man, you got a meal. So I'm gonna show you a little bit what I'm working with right now. So you can see it. I got my potatoes. We got okra, all in there. You still gotta cook a little bit, but the hamburger's in there. It's gonna be good. Pour that over some cornbread. You ready to hurt yourself. Oh yeah. But the potatoes, I just put them in there so they gotta cook down. But yeah, that's what we doing right there for dinner tonight. Getting ready to make the cornbread. And it's gonna be good. I'll try to get a taste test. I say again, I'm gonna try get the taste test in when it's all done. Alright, we'll see you in a little bit on Don Outdoor Adventures in the kitchen, making some stew. Alright, we'll see you later.